This demo demonstrates federated search with application integration. Federated search is a way for an agent to search across different data sources from the same place. In this case, the data is not copied in a RAG or an index. Instead, the agent is using connectors to connect directly to third-party platforms. I'm using his ADK to create my agents and the app integration connectors to connect to different data sources. One of the data sources is Salesforce, which contains a list of accounts with their industry, revenue, and so on, but not the account manager information. The second data source is BigQuery, which has the same accounts, but this time including the account manager information. So let's try something simple, like show me all the accounts. One thing is here I'm going to use the end user authentication, meaning that the agent will ask my consent to access Salesforce. And so it can search on this data source. The other one, BigQuery, is shared, so there is no access needed. This is slightly different from agent space where we do index search, retrieving all the permission and data at the same place. This is actually a transactional search run directly from the agent. You can see here a combined table between my Salesforce and BigQuery information. The account manager is coming from BigQuery, the revenue is coming from Salesforce, and so on. So let's try something slightly more advanced. I want to have the total account revenue from one of the account managers. The agent understands that he needs to connect to both data sources, and then do a join together to actually answer my question. We can see that there are two accounts that Bob is managing, and the total amount is the addition of both accounts that the agent figured out. What if I ask, what is Jessica working on? This information is only in BigQuery, so the agent understands that they can retrieve this information only from the BigQuery table. But if I have a follow-up question, which is where are they based? This information is actually on Salesforce. So it will again make a join between what is on BigQuery and what is on Salesforce to just give me a unified search experience using federated search. Pretty cool, right? Thank you for your attention.